Hey everyone, I'm Kandra.
And I'm Kim.
And we are Jolie Noire.
And today we're looking at what's in our Tory Burch Britton bag. So here's the bag. It is so cute. We love this bag. We got it at the Tory Burch outlet. And so I don't believe it is available in store. They do have similar products. They have the Eleanor that's like this. Then they have another croc style. I think they have an Eleanor croc style bag, and it's so cute. Love it. Love the gold chain. So what inspires me to get a bag like this is I love Chanel, and I'm just not Chanel budget ready yet. And so a bag like this is just perfect for me. It has a magnetic closure in the back with a pocket in the back, so it's perfect for travel. And then it's a nice crossbody style. And it is plus size friendly for a crossbody style. It does have like a more of an accordion style siding to it. And then it's actually pretty spacious on the inside. It has a nice main compartment, and then it has an additional pocket compartment here. And then it has a zipper compartment in the back. And so it's pretty simple. And then it has the Tory Burch logo on it. And yeah, for all of those things, I love it. I love that it's croc and that it's not just plain, it's not pebble, it's not calfskin. It is a nice croc.
There's a lot of interest too.
Yeah, it has a lot of interest. It's that wow factor bag. So that's what I know that we both love about it.
So first off for me, I have my Versace frames in my bag. I really love these pair of frames. They're my favorite. So I'm gonna make sure that I take them everywhere with me. For some reason, like they give me like that luxe, rich auntie, you know what I'm saying? And so this actually fits into that bag. I love the fact that I'm able to fit my sunglasses case in my bag, because as small as it is, I want for most of my things to be compact so that they can fit in, but I mean, obviously this isn't. So I'm just, I'm glad that it's more sleek than the other cases that we have, and it's able to fit because I love those sunglasses. And I'm gonna show you how they look. So I really love these though, because they give me like that old auntie, like it gives me old money vibes. And I know like a lot of people be tripping off of that, but it is what it is. Like it's a style. It is. It's not necessarily about the money as much as it is about the vibes and the style, and I love it. Next is my lip gloss. Now I usually have any kind of lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss right now would have to be Fenty Fussy. I love that it just makes my lips really pouty, and it might be because of the
lip plumping.
Yeah, the lip plumping, but I mean, yeah, it plumps my lips nicely. And I love the color payoff too. It's still sheer, but it has like a really nice, pinky pouty look or color to it. But this is also a good one here. It's the L'Oreal Plump Ambition, and you guys have seen Kim talk about this in our vlogs. And so I'm really growing a liking to it as well. It's not as thick as Fenty Fussy, but it's still really, really good. Then next, I always have to have some type of moisturizer. Actually, I got stuck with this one. It's the Intense Moisturizer by Bath & Body Works. It's the hand mask formula. And I got stuck with it because one of my other smaller lotions, like it was running low. And I just don't like having the little, like lotion, like the little toothpaste tube when it's at its end. I don't like that. And so I just made sure that I, put this in the bag because it's, it's fuller, and I've been carrying it around and it's been getting the job done. But I mean, it's more so of a mask. So either way, I'm gonna carry some type of lotion this size in my bags. That's in the big ones as well. And then I have my fragrance here. It's by Glossier. It's the newest one. It's the Fleur. Now I told y'all they had one. I told y'all they had a purple bottle. Either way, this is the one that I have in my bag right now. And I usually don't carry fragrances in my bags, but I've started like carrying the little oils and things like that because I want to make sure that I'm replenishing, if you will, on my scent throughout the day. So I'm going to always lotion up, and then now I'm going to either spray or I'm going to put the little oil on because it just, you know, continues to like carry throughout the day and carry your scent, you know, throughout the day. I usually carry my Tory Burch billfold with me, but it's over there.
You put a lot in your bag.
I do.
That's a lot of big stuff.
Yeah, I do. And I'm glad that I'm able to fit it in there because somebody will probably say, well, that's too small of a bag. I have too much stuff. But I mean, I honestly don't feel like you need to carry around everything, but it does all fit. So, yeah.
So up first for me is money. I did downsize to a card carrier instead of my billfold. I do have a Marc Jacobs. So this is Marc Jacobs. It's my actually my favorite card holder right now, and because it has so many compartments and then it has like a middle compartment. I love that about this one. I got this at one of the like Saks outlets or something like that for like $35. Love that. But I also have a bigger Marc Jacobs wallet, and I use that one in my bigger bags. But I like using this because I put other bigger things or other things in my actual Tory Burch bag, the smaller one. So yeah, you have to carry your money. Can't go anywhere without it. And so yes, I have this card carrier. Up next is this 99-cent comb. I have gotten caught so many times without a comb. Even when I have a bigger bag, I don't like to carry a rat tail comb. Then that's usually what we style our hair with, like the fine tooth comb and stuff. I purchased this because I was like, I don't have anywhere to put a longer comb. And so I was like, yeah, you've got to invest 99 cents into a comb that can fit in any bag that I'm carrying, and this is actually really perfect. It's thin and it gets the job done. It just gets me right back together. And so I'm so glad I've gotten this. I've had this for some months now, and I don't know why I never even thought to get one of these, long time ago. Instead of carrying like huge brushes and stuff like that. These are so convenient and they're so inexpensive that you can purchase many of them. And if you lose one, just replace it. So up next is my favorite, absolute favorite lip gloss, oil, stain, you name it. This is my favorite. Like, it's tinted, it's so pretty. It's like, I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have something on, but I love this. It is by Rare Beauty and it's Happy. I do also have the blush that goes with this, but I don't use anything else more often than I use this. I'll use this when I'm barefaced. I'll use this when I have on makeup. This is my must-have. Out of all the products that I have for hair, skin, makeup, anything, I can honestly say this is my absolute favorite. Like, because I don't have many favorites, but this is my favorite. Like, it gives you the nice, perfect blush of color for your lips, and especially for a brown girl. Like, I can't say enough about this, and it's moisturizing, and it leaves a nice tint to your to it when it like kind of goes away. It's perfect. I love Happy. Happy makes me happy. And while we're on the topic of lips, I do absolutely like Kandra, the L'Oreal Plump Ambition lip gloss. This is actually one that I carry because I do use this one. I've purchased the Fenty. I've purchased multiple Fenty lip glosses, and I like those, but I love how sheer this is, and it does give you just a nice flush of color, and it lasts pretty long. The gloss lasts pretty long, and so I love that. And it seems to kind of fill in. It doesn't make your lips larger, but it does enhance them. It makes what you already have even more gorgeous than what you have. And so this is in the shade Milky Nude. This is my favorite color. I have the clear one, and then I also have, there's another one I have, I can't remember the name of it, but this one is my favorite one. I like the color. It's a peachy pink and it's very pretty. So I think that this is worth the $10 that it is. And when I run out, I'll be getting more. I like Kandra. have to have a moisturizer. We found these moisturizers at Bath & Body Works years ago, and we purchased up a whole lot of them. And we've gone to L'Occitane, and we've gone to Sol de Janeiro. All of those, and those are amazing moisturizers. I never will knock those. If I found those first, I would probably feel the same way that I feel about this one. But this is at Bath & Body Works. They're around the same price point. So actually these are $8.95, and the L'Occitane ones are about $12, $13. Similar price points. So no issues there. But the hyaluronic acid one, no other one at Bath & Body Works is better.
Gives a nice sheen.
It gives you a beautiful sheen. It doesn't cloud your nails, so it doesn't make them look dull or anything like that. And so it has like that oil piece in it, and it's moisturizing, makes your skin soft. I absolutely love this one. Every time I see a sale, I'm gonna get these. If I don't see a sale, I'm gonna get these. They're just perfect. And it kind of smells like banana a little bit.
It does.
It has like a banana, and I'm not a big banana person, but I like it. It's a pleasant fragrance, and it's not overpowering, and it doesn't fight with what else you have on. So I love this hand moisturizer. Up next is my Glossier U Original. So I really love this fragrance. Y'all, I get so many compliments on this. I don't really have to retouch my fragrance during the day when I have this one on. This goes a long way, and people know it. They're like, what is that you have on? And I say Glossier U. And they're like, oh my gosh, I knew it. That smells so good. And so this is halfway gone, because I do use this, and I love this for travel. This is perfect to carry for travel. So I do have the travel size. I have all 3 sizes of this one. I have the bigger one, and then I have the one that is good for carry on for like your for TSA. It's TSA approved. But then I have this one too, and I like carrying this one because when you're out of town, it's more convenient to go into your purse instead of going into a big bag, all of that. So I do carry 2, but I'll carry this one because it's more convenient to get to. So I don't necessarily put this on throughout the day. I use this one for travel more often than putting more on throughout the day. But if I need to, I certainly will. So last and certainly not least are my Tom Ford sunglasses. I never found out like the actual name of these, but they are a tortoise frame. I love tortoise frames because they have interest, and they're brown. They're not black like I have my black frames. I have black sunglasses. I have other black Tom Fords. I have my black Chanels. And I like how light these are. Like I love how they kind of blend with the skin. They have a nice kind of clear brown frame in the front, and then they have the tortoise side, which I really love that. These are really great quality. One thing I've learned about different frames is that some of them can fade. And what I love about my Valentino glasses, my Chanel, my Tom Ford frames is that they don't fade. So like the oils in your skin and stuff like that have to kind of react with the plastic, but with these it's just really good. It's durable, sturdy. I got these from Smart by Glasses. They did a really good job with the high index because I have a high prescription, so they did a really good job with the high index lens, clear lens, or it's a nice clear view, and it's a light tint, so I got a light brown tint. And I absolutely love these. I have fallen in love with them. They are so chic and so classic, even though they have like this kind of odd shape. This odd shape is like very retro, but it has a nice classic touch and feel to it, like with the more cat eye. I love cat eye for my oval face. If you have an oval or a round face, it just really evens it out. It makes your eyes look more balanced because my eyes are a little bit closer together, so it just makes the eyes look more balanced, and it's perfect. It just really brings about all kinds of symmetry and balance in the face, and I absolutely love these. And I've gotten so many compliments. You guys love them too, so I think I did good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate all of the views, the love, the comments, the support.
And don't forget to download our music playlist featuring all of the songs that we put in our vlogs on Spotify, or you can enjoy it here on YouTube as well. The links are in the description. And thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to share this video with anyone that you love, and like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.